Here at Archant, we have two decorative service products on offer. Our Archant porcelain and Archant quartz are stunning engineered stone options for your kitchen benchtop. Today, we're going to discuss how long it takes to install a benchtop with Archant, from design and templating to install. We'll take your design and make it a reality. Hi, I'm Ryan, Product and Design Manager here at Archant. Why choose Archant for your kitchen benchtop needs? Here at Archant, we simplify the process to ensure timely delivery. We provide the highest level of craftsmanship and professional service. Only certified fabricators and installers will be used on your project for a safe and efficient process. Our Archant porcelain and Archant quartz are world-class products with some of the highest international quality standards on the market. What makes the Archant experience truly outstanding is the way we combine product fabrication, installation, and customer service. Nothing upscales a kitchen quite as effectively as stone. Porcelain and quartz benchtops offer a strong balance of design, aesthetics, durability, and cost effectiveness. With that said, it must be installed the right way the first time around. Our highly trained specialists have the experience needed to ensure you'll enjoy your stone benchtop for many years to come. Our highly skilled and detail-orientated team will make sure everything is just as it should be. Let us take care of all the particulars, and the finished product will be yours to enjoy in an agreed upon time. Many know us as creators of great design here in New Zealand, and while we love to enable exceptional interior spaces with leading trends from around the world, that's only just a fraction of what we can do for you. With access to the latest materials and decades of trusted expertise, Archant is a full-service benchtop fabrication company in Hawke's Bay. Archant Fabrication in Hawke's Bay have a 10-day install promise running the following process. You start by choosing your product from our internationally renowned porcelain and quartz range. We then come and template your project, making sure it's built to fit. Then the fabrication process can start. It kicks off with the programming so it can be cut and finished on our machines. It's then cut out and polished using our specialised equipment. Once the fabrication is complete, it's now ready for install. The 10-day promise starts from the day of template, and you will be enjoying your new space with style within 10 days. Here at Archant, we strive to provide an exceptional customer service experience with our excellent product knowledge and helpful attitude. Our dedicated team of project managers, sales consultants, showroom consultants, designers, marketing professionals, and warehouse team means you have the security of working with a fully resourced company of experienced professionals. From start to finish, we're by your side, making your vision a reality. Our valued customers have been thrilled with our service, and we would love to earn your trust as well. There's no time like the present to make your dream space a reality. If you have a vision, we have a way to get you there. Check out our range at archant.co.nz and contact us to discuss how we can help.